Hey guys, Binek back with another video. This is video 5 in our 6-part series talking about what is digital marketing, and we are talking about email marketing. In the previous videos, we talked about branding, social media marketing, and online ads. Now, with email marketing, this is gonna tie together all of those pieces, sort of like how everything else has been tied together. We're gonna be talking about email marketing in this video. Email marketing is something that's highly underutilized in most businesses that I work with and that I see. Businesses have an abundance of data when it comes to customer email addresses. However, likely they are not sending regular emails to those customers. In fact, a lot of businesses will work with an agency or work with a marketing partner for a couple of months. That marketing partner or that agency will run ads for that business. They'll drive a lot of emails, they'll drive a lot of sales, but eventually that business decides they don't want to work with the marketing partner anymore. The business spent all of this money on ads to drive all of these emails. However, now they are not utilizing those emails. These emails are essentially free ways to target specific people about your business. These are people that know your business, they know your brand, they know your tone of voice. They're already aware of maybe where you're located. However, businesses are not sending them emails. Emails have a significantly higher chance of producing an in-store visit, a sale online, or whatever your KPI for your business is. Emails are incredibly useful, and if you're not utilizing them, then you're missing out on a key piece of the digital marketing pie. There are a ton of free platforms out there like MailChimp, Klaviyo, even Constant Contact, you name it, there's a ton of them. And they're very simple to use. Having someone dedicated to working on your email marketing efforts is incredibly important. In fact, if you have someone working on your overarching digital marketing strategy or just your marketing strategy in general, emails should be included. There's not much more to say about emails. They're incredibly useful, and they're actually gonna lead us into our last video talking about web design. So if you have any questions about emails, how they can be used for your business, feel free to reach out to me at my email. It is ianbinek@gmail.com. Otherwise, leave a comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.